Hi, my name is Ivan, and I'm always late. So that's why I miss my flight to Philippines. And it gives me a lot of time to go to London, but not to visit the king, but to go to Jollibee. See? With a crunchy chicken, sweet spaghetti, and a jolly hot dog. Love it!
So, ganito ang tamang pagkain kapag kami nag-uwi.
Kainin mo na.
Yeah. Perfect.
And this is my one and only favorite Chinatown bakery with their matcha ice cream.
Me first. Yummy.
So, we came back to the airport. Parang smooth, diba? Walang problema. But, damn, if I will come back to this day, oh my God, it is so hilarious. Well, everything goes fine. That's what, kung may problema nga, you need to find ways. Because every solution, it really goes with different solution. Just like this. Ito, palapag pa lang kami. Palapag pa lang kami, ha? See? Pero, may problema na naman. Akala ko everything will go smooth. Walang magiging hassles and bustles and everything. But, wala. Second attempt kaming naglilipad. Yeah, so 5 santo lang ang natatawag ko. 5 santo, tapos 5 misteryo yata ang yung natapos ko rin. Sa paglapag pa lang. So, but the thing is, life is short. So, what to do? YOLO, yeah? You live only once and just have fun. Enjoy, guys!